In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a Shopify subscription. Whether you're reconsidering your need for a Shopify account or experiencing issues that warrant a refund, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and with ease. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. This step is crucial because accessing the necessary services and help features requires you to be logged in, confirming your identity as a Shopify user. Once you're logged in, your next move is to look for the Shopify Help Center. This is your primary resource hub for resolving issues, including refund inquiries. Now, when you land on the Help Center page, you'll notice it is designed to help users like yourself with a variety of common questions and concerns. Here, you'll have access to topics and resources that can provide insight and guidance on many aspects of using Shopify. The Help Center is a well-organized space, acting almost like a digital librarian ready to point you in the right direction. For the refund process specifically, you're going to need to use the Chat Support option. On the Help Center page, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll spot a chat icon there. Click on this icon to start communication with Shopify's support team. During the chat, it's important to be clear and concise about your refund request. Have all your necessary details handy, such as your order number or subscription information, so you can provide accurate information straight away. Once you've submitted your refund request, Shopify's support team will take it from there. Your request will undergo a review, which may entail the team asking you for additional information or clarification. It's important during this time to be patient and cooperative. Remember, the support team is there to help resolve your concern, but they might need more details to process your request properly. If your refund request is approved, Shopify will issue the refund back to your original payment method. It's always a good practice to keep an eye on your account over the following days to ensure that the refund has been processed correctly. So there you have it, a straightforward approach to obtaining a refund for your Shopify subscription. Following these steps will enhance your experience and interaction with Shopify's support system, ensuring your request is handled swiftly and correctly. Keep this guide handy whenever you're dealing with subscription management, and you'll find that similar issues become much easier to handle in the future. Thank you for watching,